dream to be university, successfully hosted the Jain University Short Film Festival 2025, organized by the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication.
Now coming to today's festival. Sir, this, as you are aware, this is the second edition of Jain University Film Festival, which is organized under the aegis of Jain University Youth Festival. So this is just one component under this huge umbrella of Jain University Youth Festival.
The event celebrated the power of short-form cinema, bringing together diverse perspectives and impactful storytelling. The festival welcomed distinguished industry personalities with Dr. T.R. Chandrasekhar, renowned producer and syndicate member of the University of Mysore, as the chief guest. The judging panel featured experienced professionals including P.S. Kemparaju, who is a film director, and Naveen Barkanath, who is a producer, director, theatre actor, and writer. Acclaimed Kannada actress Sukhrita Vagle also graced the occasion. The competition, open to both professional and student filmmakers, attracted over 80 entries from across India and beyond. Of these, 29 exceptional short films, 17 in the professional category, and 12 in the student category made it to the final round. The top films in each category were honored as winner and runner-up, with both receiving cash prizes. A special highlight of the festival was an insightful seminar, The Art of Branding a Film, led by Dheeraj MV, who is a cinema journalist and founder of Kannada Film Club. The interactive session delved into key aspects of film branding, marketing strategies, distribution channels, and the growing influence of OTT platforms. Dheeraj MV shared expert insights on how filmmakers can craft compelling narratives and maximize their reach in the modern media landscape.